Hi guys, Nikki here. Welcome to my art channel. Got some pretty colours for you today. This is TLP Groovy mixed with Pebeo Iridescent Violet Blue. Look at that, it's beautiful. Not sure if you can see, it's got sort of because the violet blue gives it a blue shift. And this is this little piggy Blue Eyes mixed with Decoart Pearl Metallic. Beautiful icy blue. So lovely. I love mixing colours to get your own. And this is Colourarte Primary Elements Bling It Oasis mixed with Decoart Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. And Pearlex Pigments Pink Gold, just on its own, not mixed with anything. Because it's beautiful enough, you don't need to mix it. Look at that. And Liquitex Bright Aqua Green on its own, nothing mixed with it. And I haven't quite decided on my cell activators. I'll choose those. So I'm using a pretty pink, very pale pink base, which is just white house paint and just a small dollop of red, just a mistint house paint, just a very tiny amount. But then I added just a little bit of normal artist acrylic in, I think it was raw sienna. It was either raw sienna or raw umber, I can't remember now, just to give it a little bit of warmth, because it was obviously a cool pink with the red added to it, and I just wanted it, you know, slightly warmer pink. So yeah, it's a pretty colour, and I think it will look nice with these colours. So I'll let you watch and come back to you at the end.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows. Said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Worry way too much. Got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear, and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Night, like you did last night. Night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Night, like you did last night. Night.
That's one of my favourite parts there, the pale aqua, where you can see all the lines in it. I just love how it goes like that. And that bit there on the right that's coming up now, look at that. So pretty. I just love the way the lines form, how it blends. I think these colours are really pretty together on the pale pink. So delicate and pretty. Now the centre's not perfect, but I will embellish the centre. I think as long as the rest of it's pretty and you like the rest of it, you can always do something with the middle. So pretty, these colours. See the middle bit? I didn't want to blow too much because of that orange and green one I did, where I sort of blew on it too much. Look at that, how the colours just blend. Look at that. It's like a bubble, isn't it? You know, the colours. Oh, blurred. I just think it's so delicate. Really think it's pretty. I did off camera. I just used the Pearlex pink gold and just used my skewer to sort of, you know, there's two at left and right, just to put it sort of the edge of the petals in a little bit, which you'll see in the still photos, because they were very, very subtle. So I wanted to make it a bit more defined. If you can just make it out just very slightly. At the top there, look at the sides, so only very slightly, just with the pink gold. So yeah, if you like it, please hit the like button and share and subscribe, and everybody stay safe, and thanks for being here. I'll see you soon. Bye.